Don't ignore snoring. My dad snores a lot every night. At first, we thought it was funny. It was loud like a bear. But after some time, we noticed something strange. He was always tired, even after a full night's sleep. He also had headaches in the morning. My mom said snoring can be a health problem. We went to the doctor, and he said my dad has sleep apnea. Now he uses a special machine when he sleeps. It helps him breathe better and sleep well. Snoring is not just a noise. It can be a sign of a problem. If you or someone you know snores a lot, don't ignore it. Go see a doctor. It's better to be safe than sorry.